At Paper Thermometer Company, we manufacture and sell the temperature indicating devices you need to make sure dishes and utensils are being properly sanitized in your dishwasher. According to Section 4-7 of FDA Food Code, the method for sanitization of equipment and utensils have a set of standards that they must meet. Specifically, in Section 4-703.11, it states that all food contact surfaces and utensils shall be sanitized in one of their specified methods. One of those methods is hot water mechanical operations by being cycled through equipment that is set up as specified under Sections 4-501 and achieving a utensil surface temperature of 71 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees Fahrenheit as measured by an irreversible registering temperature indicator. This means that all dishes and utensils must reach a temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit during their cycle in the dishwasher. A Thermolabel temperature indicator is how you prove this temperature was reached. Thermolabels are irreversible temperature indicators. Each product has specific rated temperatures and a temperature-sensitive element that changes from white to black when that temperature is reached. Even after the surface cools down, the element remains black. The Thermolabel takes the temperature of the surface of the dish it is on, and not the air or the water within the dishwasher. The water in a dishwasher may reach 180 degrees, while the dish surface remains at 160 degrees. The dish will take time to heat to the temperature of the water. In fact, a dishwasher's cycle time is typically not long enough for the items in it to reach the rinse water temperature. When a 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius rinse temperature is used, the items will not actually reach 180 degrees Fahrenheit. For this reason, a 180 degrees Fahrenheit rinse is used when the desired surface temperature of the dishware is 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius. Step 1. Remove the label from the sheet. Step 2. Adhere to a clean, dry dish using clean hands. Press label firmly and ensure that there is full contact with the dish surface. Step 3. Run through wash and final rinse cycles. Step 4. The gray or white temperature-sensitive element will turn black if the dish has reached the rated temperature. Step 5. Allow to cool to the touch before slowly peeling the label off the test surface to avoid leaving adhesive residue. To make sure your Thermolabel doesn't come off in the rinse cycle, you need to make sure it's placed on your dish properly. The label must be affixed to the surface that is being sanitized. Placing a label on the dishwasher would only serve to verify that the rack was sanitized, clearly not the purpose of the test. Affix the Thermolabel to a clean, dry dish or glass to verify that your dish is being sanitized. Press firmly and ensure that no air is trapped beneath the label. Make sure that the surface is clean. Food debris beneath the label can alter its effectiveness. If the dish is greasy, the label can slide right off. Do not place the label loose in the dishwasher because the result will not be accurate. A common scenario that results in an incorrect reading is when the label fails to adhere to the dish due to the dish being greasy or dirty. It falls off during the cycle and a restaurant employee picks it up loose out of the dishwasher at the end of the cycle. They pick it up and say, "The square turned black, my dishes are reaching the correct temperature." What has actually happened is that the label came loose and then read the temperature of the water, not the dish. Because of this, you have no idea if the dish was sanitized or not. To use a Thermolabel in the dishwasher, you need to select one that is waterproof. Our 1 temp and 3 temp labels are waterproof, while our 5 and 8 temp labels are water resistant. If you decide on the 1 temp, you'll need the 160 degree label. If you'd like the wider range of temperatures, you can select the 3 temp product. You can go to the food service section of our website to see the products most commonly used in that industry.